Open your Capcut. Import a video you made throwing something into the sky. Then after that, you import a video you want to show in the sky using the add overlay. You pinch to zoom to make it fit the screen. Then you can lift it up a little bit, then save. After that, open your Capcut again. Import the video that you saved. Then import the original video you made throwing something into the sky. Adjust it. You see that it will now cover the other video. Then you now adjust to the point where you threw something into the sky and split. Then from that point where you split, you click on your mask and choose the circle. Then you invert your mask. You see it there. Then drag that arrow there to reveal other part of the body. So that's it. Then you can go on to add your fireworks. For me, I downloaded my firework from YouTube. Then after putting it, you click on the dodge to remove the black screen. The dodge is found in splice. Splice, don't forget. You adjust the firework to the face of the person. Add the rocket to it. I downloaded my rocket from YouTube, a green screen. You can pinch to make it smaller so that it will match with the video. Then go to your chroma key to remove the green screen. Then tap that your diamond is called the keyframe. Then use your finger to move it to the face of the person. To make it look more beautiful. Then you can go and select other effects like love effect to make the video attractive and sweet. You are seeing the effects now. Yes, you choose anyone you want, any one of your choice. After that, you can now save the video.